Hello, Rico the Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back by doing the sumo squatting wrestling method. All it is having your hand, your arm behind your back, trying to reach the other knee, and then having the elbow push for leverage for the crack. Alright, let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. So, the sumo squat, you squat like this. Get ready. Get your hand right here, put it behind your back, try to reach as far as you can, try to reach the knee, or just the side right here if you want, on the waist, and then with your elbow, push away so you'd be like twisting this way. Alright, let me show you how it's done. 1, 2, 3. Alright, same for the other side, bring this over here. See my hand right here? Try to reach as far as possible. And then for the twist, just use this as leverage. So push right here and then twist. Alright, please consult your chiropractor, physical therapist. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.